Good morning, everyone. Today I wanted to talk about the important considerations that you have to do when you're doing your searches about property before you buy it in Queensland. There's lots of different things that you need to be really considerate of when you're buying a property, and it's all around making sure that you get what you think you're buying. So what I'd recommend is that you talk to your solicitor and get the full list of searches and really think about what are you trying to achieve on the property. If you're trying to develop the property or subdivide it or maybe build something on it or renovate it, then there are a different set of considerations than if you're just going to buy the house and you're going to live in it for a long time. So some of those things will be around town planning and making sure that the town planning rules are right if you want to develop the property, as opposed to just making sure that everything's approved. One of the biggest problems with properties in southeast Queensland, and really Queensland in general, is that there's a lot of things that should have required an approval that haven't been approved. So you want to make sure that those searches are done right. The other one that's close to my heart is making sure that the property isn't going to be affected by any resumptions and making sure that none of the government agencies have an interest in the property. So you want to make sure that you do your searches really well. And the last thing, the third thing, is really around making sure that the seller doesn't owe any money to any of the government agencies, because sometimes, if they do, that can actually be transferred to the buyer of the property. So you want to be buying that property without any of those things in place. So you want to make sure that you do the right searches and that you're making sure that the property is what you're buying. So all those things are super important, and you want to make sure that you do them when you're buying a property. Have a great day. Bye.